Gentlemen, let me ask you something honest. When you're with your partner during sex, how many times does she actually climax? If your answer is not often or I'm not sure, I need you to know something important. You're not failing and you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common struggles men face, and today we're going to fix it together. I'm Dr. Ada James, a urologist and men's health specialist. For the past 10 years, I've dedicated my career to helping men in their 40s, 50s, and beyond reclaim their sexual confidence, build real intimacy, and understand what truly matters in the bedroom. What I'm about to share with you isn't theory or guesswork. These are four scientifically proven sex positions that dramatically increase the chances of your partner experiencing genuine orgasm. Plus, I'll teach you specific techniques you can use in almost any position to take pleasure to a completely different level. Before we begin, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. I genuinely love connecting with you and reading every response. Now, here's something most men don't realize, and it's absolutely critical to understand. The majority of women cannot orgasm from penetration alone. This isn't because something is wrong with her body or your performance, it's simply biology. Scientific research shows us something powerful. Clitoral blood flow is the single strongest predictor of whether a woman will orgasm during vaginal sex. The more blood flowing to her clitoris, the higher her arousal becomes, and the greater her chances of reaching climax. So if your partner isn't climaxing consistently, I need you to hear this clearly. It's not a performance problem. It's not about your size or how long you last. It's about understanding female anatomy, choosing the right positions, and using techniques that actually work based on science, not myths. Many men believe the answer is going harder, faster, or deeper. But real research tells us something completely different. Subtle adjustments and focused control are far more effective than brute force. Over the past 5 years working with men, I've seen countless cases of desire mismatches, performance anxiety, and partners feeling disconnected. And I've witnessed how small, targeted, evidence based changes, like adjusting pelvic angles or shifting body positions, can completely transform a couple's intimate life. These methods aren't tricks or gimmicks. They're biologically sound, emotionally supportive, and incredibly simple to put into practice. Today, I'm giving you exactly what works. Position number 1, woman on top, face to face. Let's talk biology first. When she's on top, she controls everything: the angle, the depth, and the rhythm. Ultrasound studies clearly show this position dramatically increases clitoral blood flow on both sides, which maximizes her arousal. Emotionally, this position gives her a sense of control and empowerment, which naturally boosts her confidence and responsiveness. Here's your practical tip. Encourage her to experiment freely. Let her try different tilts, rocking motions, and hand placements to discover what feels best for her body. Give her that space. Position number 2, man on top, face to face with pillow under hips. This might surprise you because something as basic as a pillow can create massive differences. Biologically, tilting her pelvis upward directs more weight and movement toward her clitoris. This creates significant clitoral stimulation and dramatically increases her chances of orgasm. Emotionally, she feels close, connected, and fully present with you. Your practical tip here is simple. Place just one pillow under her hips. That's it. This subtle adjustment often delivers the biggest improvements. Sometimes the smallest changes create the most powerful results. Position number 3, Coital Alignment Technique, CAT. This position is a game changer, especially for women who have struggled to orgasm through penetration alone. Biologically, this is a variation of missionary position, but instead of regular thrusting, both of you rock your pelvises together. This presses the base of your penis against her clitoris, providing continuous, targeted stimulation. Emotionally, she feels adored, deeply connected, and intensely aroused. Here's your practical tip. Focus on sliding and rocking motions, not thrusting. Think rhythm and pacing. Communication is absolutely key here. Ask her what feels right in that exact moment. And here's a research highlight that should excite you. Women who never experienced orgasm from penetration alone often reach climax using this specific technique. Position number 4, sitting face to face. This final position blends intimacy with novelty, creating a connection that feels almost electric. Biologically, it provides clitoral stimulation through pressure and closeness. It's not as intense as positions 1 or 3, but it's still highly effective. Emotionally, the eye contact, physical touch, and closeness increase trust and emotional satisfaction significantly. Your practical tip is to use this position for variety, novelty, and emotional bonding, even if the clitoral stimulation is moderate compared to other positions. Essential techniques that work in any position. Now, let me give you 5 techniques you can apply almost anywhere. Angling. Tilt the pelvis or add a pillow to optimize clitoral contact. Small adjustments equal big results. Rocking. Instead of thrusting, use pelvic rocking motions like the cat position for continuous pressure and stimulation. Shallowing. Focus your penetration near the entrance and front vaginal wall. These are the most densely innervated areas with the most nerve endings. Pairing. Combine penetration with manual stimulation or toys. Surveys show up to 70% of women orgasm more easily this way. Communication. Simply ask her what feels good. Watch her body's responses and adjust in real time. This alone transforms everything. Supporting your own performance. Gentlemen, let's also talk about your own circulation, stamina, and confidence because your physical performance affects the entire experience. For moderate support, organic watermelon extract rich in L-citrulline enhances nitric oxide, improving blood flow for stronger, more reliable erections. For advanced support, formulas containing horny goatweed, tonkat ali, fenugreek, nettle root, and citrulline boost stamina, testosterone levels, libido, and vascular health. These are safe, science-backed options that naturally support your performance. Links are available in the pinned comment and description. The real key to great sex. Every woman's body is different. There's absolutely no one-size-fits-all solution. The real key is presence, experimentation, and open communication. Sex isn't a performance you need to nail perfectly. It's play, connection, and discovery between 2 people. Small adjustments, tilting a pillow, rocking instead of thrusting, adding gentle clitoral stimulation, can completely transform your intimate life. And remember, pleasure isn't only about her orgasm. It's about emotional closeness, trust, and mutual satisfaction. Your action step. This week, here's what I want you to do. Pick one position and one technique from this video. Talk openly with your partner about it and focus on being present and listening to her feedback. Experiment together, make adjustments, and truly enjoy the process. Comment below and tell me which position or technique you'll try first. I read every single comment and love hearing from you. If this video helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe for more evidence-based guidance on men's health, intimacy, and sexual performance. And remember this final truth: age is not the end of desire, passion, or pleasure. Thoughtful, consistent practice restores connection, intensity, and confidence. I'm Dr. Ada James, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. You deserve this.